cause I don't wanna die. You supposed to be on top of shit, but you don't wanna try. Come know.
So boys, we are picking up my R6 today. Need some manpower. What? We got some. Carson, Rex, send us up to the vlog. I'll tag you guys' Instagrams. Yeah. That's where he had. It was a Porsche in there that got burnt. A R35 or some shit. Nice ass Porsche. Yeah, pretty much. Oh yeah, there's a Harley back here. Yeah, like a GTI. Yeah, there's a Hellcat. Nah, somebody's gonna pick it up. Oh, that is a Hell. Holy shit. On 4Gs? That's a Hellcat. Is he chrome? Is that chrome or am I tripping? Wait, what color paint is that? Is that black or is it chrome?
It's a little wide model. It's white. I can't.
Oh, shit. You see what I'm saying? Tell. That paint is not stock paint. Yeah, it's hard. He had Pirellis on it too. Nice rebuild. Nice rebuild. I can't get it to turn over though. It's the only sucky part. Yeah, I'll figure it out though. I know enough techs. The what? Oh yeah, they probably got clear coat or whatever. Alright, let's get to work. Shit. We did get the bike on the truck. 30. Did get the bike on the truck. She is on the way home. My GoPro is currently on 1%, so we'll let you guys know when we get on the road, right? We're out. The boys came through to help you, boy. It's gonna be a crazy rebuild. Crazy rebuild. We're gonna get it done. She'll be back soon. I give it 2 months max. Pushing it for 2 months, but I'll give it a month. If I'm like on it every day the way I think I'm about to be, I give it a solid month. So we are working on the R6. The homie two-step Mazda came through. Came to help me knock this shit out. I'm trying to get this fucking front end done before the end of the night, bro. We got most of the fork bolts loose. Pretty much all of them are out. If not, like I said, broken rings. We're trying to get all the brake shit taken apart and then drop the front end. And then we are done for the night. But yeah, I will see you guys in the morning or whenever we get back to this thing tomorrow. Probably drop a time lapse. But yeah, this thing's a work in progress. Catch you guys later. Currently 12:05. Like I said, bro, the homie two-step came through, bro. We was gonna get this bitch knocked out. We did, bro. Front end is officially out. Holy fuck, look at all this. It's pissing. It's pissing, bro. We're gonna have to get a new rim. I'm gonna have to powder coat the rim to match the new fucking. Well, I could do both rims. Powder coat both rims. She's in the air, brother. What time is it, bro? Let's see what time it is. How long did it take us? What time did you get here? 12:16. Not even an hour, bro. Not even an hour, bro. Front end out. There's not really much else I can do right now. Take the radiator off, maybe. But well, if you guys have made it this far into the video, I appreciate you guys for watching. But as you can tell, we did end up picking up an R6. This will probably take up the next month's worth of content, me building this bike. I'll go into the details as far as how I ended up picking up this bike in another video, but if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Smash the like button, tap that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.